Welcome to my numeracy and ICT statistical investigation. This video will explain the processes of the investigation and the results that I found. The question that I based my investigation on was how many hours sleep do Year 7 males usually get on a school night compared with Year 10 males. My prediction was that Year 7 males would get more sleep than Year 10 males. The data used in this investigation was sourced from the 2014 school questionnaire conducted by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The initial sample size that I sourced from the ABS was a total of 45 Year 7 and Year 10 male students. This allowed me to eliminate any unrealistic outliers, such as a student that was receiving 17 hours sleep on a school night. It also allowed me to divide the data into two separate groups of 20 Year 7s and 20 Year 10s. The data was then organised on Excel in ascending order. This made the data easier to work with as I began to represent the statistics in various tables and graphs. The first table that I created was a frequency table. This was done by manually counting the students on the Excel spreadsheet and appears to show the Year 7s receiving more sleep on a school night. The first graph that I created was a dot plot. Although it does accurately show the results, it is not aesthetically pleasing and the results don't pop out at the viewer. The next graph that I created was the sector graph. Sector graphs are usually excellent, but for this investigation they became quite confusing. As you can see by the arrows, on the left, students who receive 10 hours sleep are displayed in blue, while on the right they are in green. There may be a way to fix this problem, but due to my inexperience using Excel, I was unable to do so. I found the double column graph to be the most visually effective graph, as it really tells the story of the results. The next table created was the double stem and leaf plot. The leaf plot clearly shows the Year 7's column on the left being much more bottom heavy than the Year 10's. The best way to find the overall results of the investigation was to find the mean, median, mode and range of the two datasets. The results were put into this table and they showed the obvious answer to my original question. The results show that my prediction was correct. On average, Year 7 males get an extra hour's sleep compared to Year 10 males. Although these results are exciting, the sample size used in this investigation is too small to represent the entire Year 7 and Year 10 populations. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.
Created using Powtoon.